Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world. You are welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Breaking, Justice Binta Nyako withdraws from Nnamdi Kanu's trial as IPOB leader scolds her for disobeying Supreme Court order. At a resumed sitting, the IPOB leader had ordered his counsel, Aloy Ejimeka, to sit down while he made reference to the judgment of the Supreme Court, where alleged bias against the judge was raised. Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Tuesday handed off from presiding over the trial of the detained leader of the Indigenous Peoples of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Justice Nyako's withdrawal from the trial followed Nnamdi Kanu's application in open court, requesting her to recuse herself from the trial due to her disobedience of orders of the Supreme Court. At a resumed sitting, the IPOB leader had ordered his counsel, Aloy Ejimeka, to sit down while he made reference to the judgment of the Supreme Court, where alleged bias against the judge was raised. While Ejimeka was trying to persuade the court to suspend the trial due to the fact that Kanu was denied the opportunity to prepare his defense, the detained Kanu rose from his seat and ordered his lawyer to sit down. "Sit down! I say you should sit down!" Kanu roared from the dock. "My lord, I have no confidence in this court anymore, and I ask you to recuse yourself because you did not abide by the decision of the Supreme Court. I can understand it if the DSS refuses to obey a court order, but for this court to refuse to obey an order of the Supreme Court is regrettable. I am asking you to recuse yourself from this case," Kanu stated. Though the prosecution counsel, Adegboyega Awomolo, San, urged the court to proceed with the trial, Justice Binta Nyako said she was minded to recuse herself from the case. "I hereby recuse myself and remit the case file back to the Chief Judge," she held. Wow! Biafrans and lovers of freedom, we have just heard the key legal decision by the leader of IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, let us go into a legal analysis of the above breaking news on the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu versus Nigeria judicial system as follows. The news you've listened aligns with recent reports about the ongoing trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Here's a summary of the key points. Key points. Withdrawal of Judge, Justice Binta Nyako has recused herself from Nnamdi Kanu's trial. IPOB leaders request, Nnamdi Kanu requested her removal due to alleged disobedience of Supreme Court orders. Supreme Court order. The Supreme Court had previously raised concerns about potential bias in the trial. Nnamdi Kanu's actions. Kanu instructed his counsel to sit down during court proceedings and made reference to the Supreme Court's judgment. Additional information? Ongoing trial. The trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous Peoples of Biafra, IPOB, has been ongoing in Nigeria. Legal challenges. The trial has faced various legal challenges, including accusations of bias and the enforcement of Supreme Court orders. IPOB movement. IPOB is a separatist group seeking the creation of an independent state of Biafra. Potential developments. New judge. A new judge will likely be appointed to preside over the trial. Legal proceedings. The trial is expected to continue, with potential implications for Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB movement. Political implications. The trial has significant political implications for Nigeria, particularly regarding the government's handling of separatist movements. Would you like to know more about the specific details of the Supreme Court's judgment or the history of the IPOB movement? Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV.
Very, very clear. In all this is the judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable. And is here. Where is it? Please do bear with me. It says it here. What is it, page? What is that again? Where it says page 18. All these things are online. Is it not page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the vacuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Page 18, right?
Okay. They kept switching the charges.
Yes.
They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a
defense.
discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself.
They removed it.
I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed from London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196?
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. Violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where all these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
To be a travesty.
Of the Igbo people. This orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we're facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Obodo kenenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Kanyi kenebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Ikabugondi loyo, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu.